Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another one of my vlogs. I am at Thomas Beach right now with my favorite adventure goddess. Yeah, we're just at Thomas Beach. It's really empty and beautiful right now. One of our favorite beaches. Haven't had a proper beach day in so long, so very happy and grateful to be here. I'm wearing a headband from Team 2. I don't know if you guys can see. And also this sarong is tailored to as well. Different dogs in one dog. Ah, this one is so cute. What is up, friends? It is Monday today, a Monday morning, but we only have meetings like sorean, jadi pagi ini we're going on a super random trip to the waterfall with my sister in the back, and we just messaged some friends. Kita kayak siapa aja yang mau ikut, we're taking them with us, and
Gak ada yang ikut.
nggak ada yang ikut. No, hopefully kita bakal ada satu teman yang bakal ikut, and it's gonna be fun, you know that. And yeah, we've been working all weekend, so excited to just jump into the coolness of the waterfall and let my mind and body and thoughts drift a little bit, because it's my favorite waterfall. Did I mention that? I've taken you guys there with me before, but I just love it. I love it so much. So happy we are just walking now to the waterfall, and we got my sister. Hi. And Anya.
Kameranya sama kayak kamera vlog aku.
Oh ya? Outfit of the day is tale of two blouse, tale of two shorts, reef shoes, glasses.
Turunnya Mbak Moda.
Kita udah sampai di Banyumala Waterfall, dan I know I've shown you guys this before, tapi lihat aja deh guys, bagus banget. So happy right now.
Okay, yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's your mom? The roads are so empty.
On the way home, that was so nice. Mind is fully refreshed again. So got to contemplate on life a little bit before, and I wanna ask Anya a question. Jadi pertanyaannya tuh, what would you have to say to your 20-year-old self?
Don't be insecure. It's useless.
Okay, how?
Karena kalau kayak insecure sekali, terus something bad happen habis itu, jadi kamu 2 kali rugi, 2 kali mikir. Tapi kalau insecure nggak dipikirin, terus tahu something bad happens, kamu ngerasa susah sekali doang. Do you get what I mean?
Ya, jadi harus confident aja dong.
Iya, jangan sampai kayak pusing 2 kali gitu.
Berarti harus confident all the time. Just fake it till you make it.
Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. It's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see me. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands.
Sekarang kita lagi memasak. Mau ke potong gigi sama ada yang nikah juga, tetangga rumah. Udah, sekarang we are going home. Look at my beautiful ladies. So nice pakai kebaya Bali tuh selalu rasanya kayak gimana ya? Kayak putri. Staying committed to my spiritual journey is really important to me, and joining Kim Herben's morning activation group meditation at Potato Head is always such a treat to the soul. She guides us so gently and beautifully while we connect with the breath and the body, and we also all get different crystals at random. And today I got the rose quartz, which is the stone of unconditional love. Then we had jamu shots, aka pure liquid gold, the only kind of shots I'll never say no to. We also get to pick a card and reflect on our journeys a little. All so early and fresh in the morning with familiar faces I'm grateful to share my path with. Perfect way to start the day. I mean, just so much abundance, and I don't know, I'm just so grateful. So that was my first time doing one of Kim's morning sessions. And you guys, it was so beautiful. I feel so relaxed and so ready to start my day, and it was just such a wholesome morning. And we even got crystals, we did cards, we got jamu, we stretched, we meditated. It was amazing. I'm so grateful and happy right now. Definitely going to come more often, at least one time a week, because that is just the way to start your day. Good morning, beautiful friends. We are on the way to a Tale of Two photo shoot, and it's gonna be a good day, although we are a little bit late. But the team in the back, what's up to you? But Ron. Oh, look at this Molly Mon. Full model today. How are you feeling, my love? Why are you so pretty? have?
Blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
Beach day with my baby girl. Pati tengah beach. This is where we do yoga. Just a small space, but it's cozy. Hello, beautifuls. Hello, little earth angel. Hi. Hi, YouTube. Nice to meet you guys. My name is Kina and I'm cute. Boop. Boop. We just finished a 20-minute yoga and 15-minute workout. Yay! Super quick and efficient and easy. Tapi kerasa banget ya di badan. I feel so relaxed and stretching, awake and ready for the day. Yay! Papaya with oats and sunflower seeds.
Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with